This is an unboxing of the AMIGOS assortment by Miracle Fireworks. Right off the bat, we can see we have 4 main fountains from the outside. On top, we get your typical smoke bombs and your confetti poppers. So this is everything out of the box. You get confetti, you get snaps, you get some smoke, and you get these 5 fountains if you want to count this one. Let's go ahead and start with the smoke bombs. We're going to start with the smallest fountain out of the 5. We got golden flowers. Up next is the friendship fountain. Up next is Magic Castle. This one is Majestic. And last but not least, the beer fountain. Definitely packs a punch for its size. I think she only set us back about 15 to 20 bucks. Can't remember. One of those two. Be on the lookout for this one if you like fountains like I do.